I'm Ben Russell-Smith, Managing Director and founder of the company Laser Lamps. Triple R Lights is our US branch. We've got a sales office and team there in Arizona who are always able to help our US customers. Today I'm going to tell you about our LR series. So the LR series actually originated back in 2014 when one of the world's leading World Rally teams approached us and they wanted a product that was LED, but it had a performance that would far exceed any high-intensity discharge lights that were on the market at the time. So for that, we developed a unique reflector system. We turned the LEDs back to face the reflector, and it means that every bit of light that's coming out of those LEDs is hitting the reflector and it is projecting forward into the long range. And actually on this series, the LR28, which is the big 51-inch lamp, has got a 1 lux line of over 3/4 of a mile. So huge long distance performance coming from these products. This generation of LR series was developed a couple of years ago. This is our latest generation, and into this product range we featured some real enhancements and improvements in the specifications to make sure that we are at the very front of the market in terms of performance and quality. In desert racing in the US, this product has already been very well received. Some of the benefits are that you don't get that glare on the hood that you're getting from some of the competitor products. So that rear-facing LED is projecting the light backwards and up into the reflector. When it hits that reflector, it is going right down the trail exactly where you need it. So the beam pattern on the Elite is much wider. We're going up to 42 degrees in width. And also we narrow the beam pattern a little bit in height, so that if you're mounting it, for example, in the grille kit of a vehicle, you haven't got too much brightness on the road in the first 20 meters. So we're really projecting the light right into the distance. And the hot spot in the center of an Elite is considerably higher than the hot spot in the Standard of the same size. The Standard has got a backlight function, so that means you can have either white or amber backlight. Looks fantastic. The Elite has got a more refined and engineered beam pattern. So starting at the smallest LR product, we've got what is called the LR750. This product is 9 inches in width. It's a very high performing, small and compact LED light bar. As we move up the range, we've got the LR850. This lamp features 6 reflectors. LR1000, we're looking at 8 reflectors across. As we move up to the bigger lamps, the naming convention changes slightly. The LR16 is referring to the number of reflectors in the product. We've then got the LR24 and the LR28. Broadly speaking, we're looking at about 1100 to 1250 lumens per reflector, depending on which lamp size you're looking at. So for example, on the Triple R 750, our smallest lamp, we've got a lumen output of around 4,600 lumens for the standard version, and we're above 5,000 lumens for the Elite version. Lumen outputs do vary, of course, by size, and of course, with our projecting reflectors that we've got in here, those lumens are thrown down the road, real long-range performance. The LR750 Elite also has a DOT and SAE version. So the DOT means that we ensure the product complies with the DOT, the Department of Transport in the US, the federal lighting regulations. So we test these products here in our facility and make sure they are within the specification of the DOT. What makes that product quite unique on the market is that our DOT marking also gives the customer an option to boost the output when they're driving off public highway. So this is really up to the driver to ensure that they are only running the boost in an off-road environment, and for that they receive a separate push-in boost cap, and when that cap is inserted, then they are in off-road mode only. The LR1000 beacon is a product which is doing very well in the US utility market. It features 16 different flash patterns. The customer is able to sync a number of these lights together, so they're flashing in time every time. The mounting of the LR series is also pretty unique. So we feature some extruded channels in the top and the bottom of the product, and it allows us to slide the mount up and down the product. So if you've already got mounting positions that are predefined on your truck or your vehicle, well, the mount can slide, and then you can get it exactly where you need to for easy mounting. Side brackets are also available. So if you want to mount the lamp from the side, from the left and right side, then that is absolutely available as an option. We also feature grille kits, and the LR series, and specifically the LR4, the LR6, and the LR8 are all being worked up into different grille kit designs. All of the lights that we sell at Triple R Lights have a color temperature of 5,000 Kelvin. So this is natural daylight, and we use a high color rendering index LED to ensure that when you're on the trail, you see everything that's coming towards you, and not just the shape of it, but you're seeing the color on the trail. The lamps are all coming with a 5-year warranty. Of course, they're made here in the UK in our world-class facility. All of the products are IP68, so that means we qualify them down to a 1 meter submersion for more than 30 minutes. And every lamp that leaves our factory here in Harlow is subjected to a leak test where we fully submerge the lamp and then we light it up afterwards before it gets packed and out to customers. So I hope that video gives you a better understanding of the LR series. Please do get in touch with us. Our team in Arizona are really happy to hear from customers. If you've got any questions about this product or anything else, please do get in touch. Otherwise, please check out our social media. And until then, see you next time.